Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage app permissions on Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to manage your app permissions, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to look for apps which permission you want to manage. As I'm going to select random this one, so just keep a long press on it. Then select info icon, and here you just have to look for permissions. But if you won't get the settings here, you just have to go for settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps, select it, then select all apps, and here you will get all apps installed on your phone. You just have to look for one which you permissions you want to manage. As I'm going to manage the permissions of this one, so just tap on it, then select permissions, and here you will get all the permissions which are allowed and don't allow to the app. Just select the permission and then select what you want to. As I'm going to allow the permissions, you can easily allow or don't allow here. So that's how you can easily manage permissions of every app installed on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Next video, bye bye.